channel. On your screens we are looking at the stock price of Sidus Space Inc. and today the stock dropped 5.92% and is closed the week trading at $3.34. So Sidus Space Inc., as you guys might recall, is a company that manufactures and qualifies equipment that is used on spacecraft and in satellites. The company recently was part of a giant 3.5 billion contract from NASA, and they are part of the contractors that are in this program, which is concerns extravehicular activity in space. So that was a big win for Sidus Space. Also, their CEO has been recognized. He will be speaking at a very important space exploration summit, and that tells you the clout that they have within the space exploration community. Also, the one vehicle that they're working on for Druva Space, I hope I say that name right, has met qualification for use in space. So that just goes to cement the place of Sidus Space as a premium and reputable manufacturer of equipment that can be used in space. Now, if you look at the stock today, it dropped 5.92% and is now trading. It closed the week at $3.34. Yesterday, the stock closed at $3.55. It opened today at $3.52, which was just a little bit lower. And in the course of today's trading, the stock went as high as $3.63. Volume was quite low at 418,000 compared to the 6 million average that we would typically see. Market capitalization for Sidus Space is now at 56 million US dollars. So if we look at the 52-week range, you would see that we are very close to the lower end of the spectrum. But space exploration and working on space vehicles is going to be a very, very huge thing in the future. The United States recently created a new branch of the military, which is the Space Force, and Elon Musk's company, Space Exploration Technologies, SpaceX, has already begun launching, their satellites from that, Space Force base in Florida. So very important development as we go ahead, because you have internet that will be broadcast soon. It's already being broadcast by SpaceX from space. Who knows how long more before we have even cell conversations being routed through space. So there's a lot going on in this space, and it's just amazing to see that companies like Sidus Space are up for grabs at a very reasonable investment cost. So that is the story of Sidus Space today. But if you look at the 5-day graph, you will see that the company actually ended the week stronger than where it started. So that's what I had to share with you concerning Sidus Space Inc. Also, looking at the top of your screens, you can see that it wasn't a very great day for Wall Street. Most of the indices ended up a little bit lower or just a little bit higher today. Crude oil, of course, is dropping. Right now it's at 104. If you guys remember, it went as high as $120 a barrel not so long ago, but right now it's sitting at $104.73 a barrel. So I hope you guys all spend a wonderful weekend. Summer is here. Spend time with your family. That's what life is all about. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.